Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me a Redmi A1 Plus device, and I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this smartphone. So firstly, open the Play Store and click Install. You need to install Call Recorder Cube ACR application. Then click Open, click Next, grant permissions. While using the app, allow. Then choose Enable App Connector, Downloaded Apps, Cube ACR App Connector. Find here Use Cube ACR App Connector. Click I'm aware. Wait a while. Then click OK. Scroll down, choose Add Cube to Auto Start. Find here Cube ACR on this list and click to enable it. Go back, choose OK Go Eat. Click No Restrictions. Click OK Go Eat. No thanks. OK Go Eat. Click on the cross in the left top corner and great. Now all your calls will be automatically recorded by Cube ACR application. You can test it, but you need to know that if you have no access on the device, this app will be recorded only sounds from your microphone. So if you want to record your sound, your voice and voice of your communication partner, you need to enable speaker mode when calling. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.